Today we are adding and subtracting fractions that have different denominators. So we've written down our steps in our notebook. We're going to find the LCD, which we know how to do from studying least common multiple and also studying comparing fractions last week. So we're going to find the equivalent fraction with the new denominator, and then we're going to add or subtract the numerator. Our denominator stays the same, and last we're going to simplify. So let's try it. The first one I have is 1/5 plus 1/2. So I need one of my friends in the classroom to tell me what my new denominator will be. It's going to be the least common multiple of 5 and 2. Christian? 10. Good. So I'm going to change each of my fractions to the new denominator of 10 because that's the least common multiple of 5 and 2. So if I multiplied 5 times 2 to get 10, I'm going to multiply 1 times 2 to get 2. 2 times 5 is 10, so 1 times 5 is 5. Now I'm going to do step 3, which is to add the numerators. 2 tenths plus 5 tenths then would be 7 tenths. And then step 4, I'm going to check and make sure it's in simplest form. Since 7 and 10 don't have any common factors, then I know 7 tenths is in simplest form. On example 3, I'm actually missing a fraction. Like I have a mystery fraction here. So I have 5/18. I'm going to add to that this mystery fraction, and the total is 1/2. So how can I rethink this problem so I can figure out my mystery fraction? Josh?
1/2 minus 5/18.
Good. I can find the difference of 1/2 and 5/18 to figure out how much has been added to 5/18 to equal 1/2. So I'm going to kind of rearrange this problem to where it's 1/2 minus 5/18. What's my common denominator for 2 and 18? Jack?
Your common denominator would be 18.
Good. 18 is the common denominator. I'm going to keep 5/18 the same, and how many 18ths are equal to 1/2? Good. Now I want to do 9/18 minus 5/18, which would be?
4/18.
Excellent. And that simplifies to?
1/3.
2/9.
2/9. Yeah.
Okay, how could I go back and check? I could take my 2/9 and plug it in here and add 5/18 plus 2/9 and make sure that it equals 1/2, and it should.